Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And in 2025, if I have a wish for Microsoft, if I want something that I want to ask that they really change and stop doing, because it isn't and should not be part of a operating system to have ads. Lately, some people have been actually mentioning that they've got ads for a game that Microsoft has, Black Ops, and it appears in the notification area. So they look at what's happening here, and what you suddenly notice is that in here, there's a notification that actually tells you that, oh, well, you could play this game now. Black Ops 6 is available in Xbox. And so, it has nothing to do. If you're a gamer, maybe but you already know about it anyways. Why would the average user want to see this? Another one is a pop-up that tells you that, well, you've got the Windows Security app, but we also have the Windows Defender Advanced app that you can download from the Microsoft Store if you want. All of that is really, really trying to annoy people more than anything else. It's not enough that even when you go into the settings app, you get all sorts of things you don't want to see. And it's getting worse all the time. It is definitely something that, annoys people. It's distracting for people that actually work with their PC. You get to a point where you're like, okay, even here, you see that, okay, I am using a Microsoft 365 and a PC Game Pass. But if I would not, there would still be cards telling me, oh, PC Game Pass is something you can subscribe to, or Microsoft 365 is something you can subscribe to in the settings app. People don't need that in here. Once again, we talked about it. The Microsoft Store with apps, it's an app store. That's where it's all should be. That's where you should have ads for it. Or, on the web on some pages where they talk about tech or gaming. But it is sad to see that not only is the ads in Windows annoying, they're actually increasing and getting worse. And so I would ask Microsoft in 2025, stop displaying ads in Windows. It actually makes the operating system look a lot less professional. It, is unnecessary and very annoying. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.